I am writing a paper on global warming for a class in English. The first place I look for information is online. I'm opening up Google right now. It's taking me to Georgia Southern website. Go to Google, enter that, and I'm going to type in scholarly articles on global warming. Articles on global warming. Okay, clicking on the first link. Okay, it's edf.org. Looks like it's credible because of .org. Scrolling down. Human activity is causing global warming. Piques my interest. Reading the article, scientists have closed the case. Human activity is causing Earth to get hotter. Going to Control Alt F. Or is it Alt F? Shift Alt F. There we go. It's Control F for the search bar. I'm going to type in keywords global warming. Alright, only two pop up on this page, and it's the title in the bottom. Great. I'm going to back out and go to another link. Okay. I'm going to the third link. And I'm at scholarly articles. Going to the first link for the scholarly articles. Alright. Rice yields decline with higher night temperature from global warming. Going to do the same thing. Control F. Enter global warming. There's one of four. Alright, I'm going to read the abstract of this research paper. The impact of the projected crop yields. Alright, I see some facts in here I'd like to use in my paper. I'm going to go to Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word, I'm going to open it up. Alright, so direct studies on effects. Observed climate change on crop growth. So I'm going to highlight this sentence, copy and paste into Microsoft Word. Alright. Go down a little bit more. Alright. Back out of there. I'm going to go to the fourth link for global warming and sea level. See what that's about. It's showing about greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. It's sciencemag.org, so I think it's credible. I'm gonna read it. Looks like it's pretty good facts. Greenhouse gases in the year 2000. Already additional of 320% sea level. So I'm gonna go there, highlight that little tidbit. Copy, go to Word. Paste it in there. I'm going to keep that tab open so I could cite it later. Alright. I'm going to go Google again, global warming. Articles. Global warming effects. Articles. Going to the first link. Fingerprints on global warming on wild animals and plants. Going to open that up. It's nature.com, so you need to look at the citing source because it's not a credible URL. Nature Publishing Group. Sounds legit. Just have to read it, find out if it's an opinion or facts. Over the past 100 years, global average temperature has increased rapid rate, although species have responded to climatic changes throughout their evolutionary history. Alright. There's nothing here that I like. Alright, going to the sixth link. Alright, ScienceDirect.com. There's another abstract. A couple keywords I like climate change. Merge provide a framework. Okay. This definitely does not help me at all. Just a bunch of citing sources, so back out of that. Alright, opening up one other link. And then Control F. Global warming, enter. You get 5 hits. Temperature dependence of soil organic matter decomposition and the effect of global warming on soil organic sea storage. Decreasing. It's too long, so I back out. Alright, so I'm going to pick which side because it's going to be a paper. I'm going to say pros and cons. Pros and cons of global warming. Alright. Just going to go to the regular Google. I was on Scholar. Cut, web, paste. Pros and cons of global warming. Alright. Is global warming man-made? I like that. This finding has accepted hundreds of climate experts and governments worldwide. No one can ignore change. It's just random quotes in here. An individual person. I'm going to highlight this because it says that human beings through emission cause greenhouse gas, which then causes carbon dioxide, which eats the ozone. Copy that, going to paste it in there. Alright. I'm going to leave that open. The next one, I'm going to look at just regular cons now. I feel like there's going to be a lot more of those than pros. Be easier. Going to advantages and disadvantages. Shows both point of views, so I like that link. In February 2007, United Nations released a scientific report. I see scientific report and I think it's credible, even though it says geography.about.com. It's happening. It will happen for centuries. 90% certainty. Activity of humans has been primary cause. So that sounds good. I'm going to highlight that part. I'm going to copy and paste in Word. Alright. Going back over. And then with those conclusions and the conclusions of scientists of advantages. So there's a small number of advantages. I'm going to find those. So I go to Google, I type in advantages on global warming now instead of cons. Alright, and it's the same webpage. Cool. Back out, go to 10 possible benefits of global warming. And then it shows some advantages like more usable land. I'm going to use these advantages and choices right now and put them right in my paper. Alright, so what's number 1? Warmer weather is safer. People enjoy sunny climate. Increase interest in alternative energy. I'm going to put that in the paper. Alright, kind of have an idea what my paper is going to be about now. Some facts. Keep all those tabs open. I would start a introduction paragraph. Make sure font's right, everything's right. Going to some of my sources and do a works cited page. I'm going to insert blank page. Alright. Type in works cited. And then I'm going to go to EasyBib. EasyBib. Free bibliography. Alright. Let's go into the website and I just copy and paste the URL into EasyBib. And cite it. Alright. It gives me a citation. Press continue. Electronically published is today's date. No. Yeah. Say 18. Yep. Alright. Don't really know contributors. Gotta go back to the page. I'll scroll down to the bottom of the page because that's where creators and the copyrights from Latticecore.com, all rights reserved. So you can't plagiarize. Later we're going to have to go back into Microsoft Word and make them our own words. Well, some of them. Probably going to quote one or two directly. Alright.